Omaha is like the rest of the nation in that the obesity rates have tripled in the last 30 years. Many families just don't have access to healthy, affordable foods, nor do they have opportunities for kids to play in a safe environment. The mission of Alegent Creighton Health calls us to go beyond the walls of our hospitals and our clinics to really impact the health of the community. So we partnered with Live Well Omaha and a number of other community partners and created Live Well Omaha Kids. Our goal is to promote physical activity and healthy eating in our kids and to try to reverse the trend of childhood obesity that is so damaging on our children. There's a swelling grassroots efforts in that moms and dads and teachers and pastors are recognizing the importance of having opportunities for kids to be physically active and to eat healthy. Schools are serving more fruits and vegetables. More kids are walking or biking to school.
We believe the built environment can support healthier transportation. So Alegent Creighton Health has funded part of the salary of a bike pedestrian coordinator that works with the mayor and really sits at that decision-making table to make sure that when we're building our city, we're keeping those things in mind. As city streets become safer, it gives way to other programs like Safe Routes to School. Alegent Creighton Health is very proud that we provided some seed funding for that program to really get started, and now it's continuing on in many forms throughout the community. We know that physical education and recess are really important to the academic performance of students, but yet it's really endangered throughout all of our school systems here locally. That's why we're excited to promote and support programs like Move In After School. Today, more than 40 area schools are using the Move In After School curriculum to help kids make healthier choices after their school day. Our Knapsack initiative trains childcare providers to make healthy policy changes in nutrition and physical activity in their centers. These leadership teams have impacted 2,000 children who are now in healthier environments. Our Youth Advisory Council uses the power of teen advocates to influence the behavior of their peers. Each semester, the council selects and implements a special project to help them make the choices that will lead to a healthier lifestyle. And our Healthy Families program proves that when families work together, they can make changes that last a lifetime.
A lot of these families come into this program wanting help. A lot of them come in, you'll see the first day, sometimes with, a liter of soda in their hand. And then over time they learn that these habits that they have, are not good for them. If you talk to some families after they finish the program, almost every single family that come out of our program that graduate say that they have made lifestyle changes that they think they will keep for the rest of their lives. It's a really good feeling to know that we can make an impact on these families in the long run.
No, me ha gustado mucho estas clases porque estoy aprendiendo mucho para mejorar mejor el futuro de mis hijos. Y le doy gracias a todos los que promocionan este programa porque así sabemos balancear y tratar a nuestros hijos mejor en la alimentación y en la educación como de hacer afuera actividades.
54321 Go is a great social marketing campaign that actually has been fostered by the teens of the city of Omaha, and really it translates itself through radio, through TV ads. We've had billboards in the past, but now it really lives through sort of a learning process on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter that are shared with moms, with families, and with kids.
We know that if we're going to make an impact in this issue of childhood obesity, we need to start early.
Breastfeeding is the #1 preventative of childhood obesity. One of our most successful initiatives is our peer mentor breastfeeding program, which is in the WIC clinics. There are WIC mothers who have successfully breastfed their children who counsel other new mothers to breastfeed their babies.
I have 3 kids. I breastfed them, and I think it's good. They never sick. They are great at school, and I think it helped a lot.
I think the success of Live Well Omaha Kids is attributed to the diversity of the partnerships. We have representatives from business, from healthcare systems, from child cares, from schools, from the community that are all committed to providing opportunities for kids to eat healthy and be physically active.
Alegent Creighton Health was really excited to partner with Tomato, No More Empty Pots, and Hunger Free Heartland this year to support locally grown fruits and vegetables for SNAP recipients. Partial funding is given towards the bags, and then SNAP recipients also pay for their bags each week as well. And this really led us to think about, why aren't we bringing these locally grown foods to our own employees? 175 employees signed up for a membership this year, and we had 5 locations where you could go every week and pick up your little bag and use this wonderful produce in your own home. An important part of the Well Omaha Kids Childhood Obesity Coalition is to find what's already working in the community and invest more resources into helping them continue or magnify their impact. We really saw that with the Healthy Neighborhood Store project going on through the CPPW grant and now CTG. And so we gave some funds to make sure that the food demos continued at their 8 store locations. What this means is that an expert cooks healthy recipes, gives out those healthy recipes, and promotes the items that people can buy in their own store, helping people bring healthy back home.
Through the work of Live Well Omaha Kids and its partners, we know that the places where kids live, where they work, where they go to school, and where they worship are providing healthier options for kids, and kids and families are choosing those healthier options. No one organization can reverse the trend in childhood obesity. It requires the entire community to step forward and take a stand. In Omaha, we're working together to make the healthy choice the easy choice for families and kids. And I'm proud of that.